Hello, in front of me I've got MG ZS. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. Let's start with the driver's doors. Right here we can find automatic windows opener, child lock for windows, and here we can find electric mirrors adjustment and mirrors folding. On the steering wheel we can find MG Pilot button, voice assistant, and quick navigation via instrument cluster. Car is equipped with automatic lights and automatic wiper. On the instrument cluster we can find road sign assistant, range and battery level on the main screen. Next, let's take a look in the center of the car. Car is equipped with parking brake, start-stop feature, driving mode switch, automatic transmission, and then we can find power outlet and two USB ports here. On the screen display we can find climate control panel with AC, steering wheel heating and seat heating. The panel is also equipped with built-in navigation, Bluetooth music and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Inside the settings we can find 360 camera and auto hold function, hill descent control and traction control. MG Pilot can be set as intelligent drive, speed limiter, ACC or intelligent cruise assist. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.